Healthcare side, one hospital is also looking to be more sustainable. The National University Hospital is taking more steps to go green, spurred by its initial success at being sustainable. It wants to reduce food waste and electricity use. As Nadirah Zaidi finds out, the hospital is even switching to an anaesthetic gas with a lower carbon footprint.
In 1 year, the National University Hospital saved $320,000 in electricity bills through various green efforts. It reduced the air circulation in operating theatres when the facility is not in use. This move helped the operating theatres save 40% on power consumption.
When people are not in on weekends, we switch off our air cons. When people are not in on weekends, we switch off our lights.
As part of plans to achieve net zero emissions by 2045, the hospital is also turning to a different anaesthetic gas that's better for the environment.
We have changed from the use of one which has the global warming potential of 2,500 called desflurane to another option or alternative called silverfluorine, which only has a global warming potential of 145. So you can see that there's a drastic reduction in carbon footprint, but in terms of clinical outcomes, they are very comparable.
The hospital wants to cut waste by 60% by 2030. Among the ways to achieve the goal is by reducing food portions of inpatient meals by 30 grams. NUH says this has lowered rice wastage by almost 2,000 kilograms per year. Patients who want bigger portions can still request for it. The hospital is also working towards being plastic light, which means plastic bags will be phased out.
Starting 14th of June, NUH will stop handing out plastic bags like these at pharmacies. Instead, you're encouraged to bring your own, or you can grab one from a shared space like this one. If you really need a plastic bag, you'll have to pay 10 cents. Starting next month, NUH will also stop handing out paper emergency bills as part of efforts to go green. In fact, this is not the first time they're doing this.
NUH is literally turning its spaces green by getting its staff involved.
So there's a lot of interest in community gardens. And across NUH campus, we have found space to put in 20 plots of community gardens. Okay, and today we will give out 6 plots for people who have bid for the gardens. And actually, as part of bidding for the garden, we also give you the plants, so you grow mint and everything, so you can harvest.
Such herbs can even be served to patients if there's a good harvest. The money saved on the hospital's green initiatives will be invested into new sustainability goals.